students, we read the chapter UN and came to know the world has seen many wars. In the early wars, the weapons that were used were not as dangerous as they are today. During the terrible World War I and II, millions of people lost their lives. Thousands were injured. For many years, people had been thinking and talking about peace. When two countries disagree, does not mean that they have to settle the matter by fighting a war. Surely there must be some peaceful way of settling differences. These thoughts and discussion led to the birth of United Nations. This organization tries to bring peace and happiness in the world. So we read this chapter and now we will do the copy work. So first you will write the first question, define. So in define you will write human right, first one, and souvenir, the second one. So human right is a right which is believed to belong to every person. And second one, souvenir, means a supreme rule, especially a monarch. After define, we will do answer these questions. First question is, who coined the term United Nations? The name United Nations was coined by President Roosevelt of the USA. The next question is, list the main principles of the UN. So you will write answer. The principles of UN are as follows. All the members countries should respect the sovereignty and rights of each other. Threats and use of force should be avoided. Only peaceful means should be used to settle disagreement. They must support and cooperate with the UN in all its activity. This is given on page number 86 in your book. So all of you write this answer from the book. Now we come to question number 3. List the objectives of UN. Again, this is given on page number 86. The objectives of UN are as follows: to maintain international peace and security and settle disputes between the member states by peaceful means. Second, to develop friendly relations among nations with equal rights for all. Third, to improve the conditions of the people of the world peacefully in cooperation with other nations. Fourth, to promote respect for human rights and support freedom of all people without discrimination on grounds of race, sex, religion and language. And last one, to provide a meeting place where all members can work together to achieve these common goals. Now the next question is, what do you mean by veto power? So you will write the answer. The word veto comes from the Latin word which means I deny. Veto is the power which has been granted to 5 permanent members of the Security Council of United Nations. By using this power, they can say no to any decision taken by the member nation of the Security Council. Question is, name the countries that have been given the veto power by the UN. So answer is, first one USA, second one Russia, third one UK, fourth one China and fifth one France. So students, all of you write neatly all this work in your classwork copy and learn it by heart. Thank you.